Press the bell icon to never miss a video from PopxoBeauty Daily.
Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of PopxoBeauty Makeup Masterclass. And in today's masterclass, I'm going to show you a super easy trick to achieve the Korean glass skin makeup look. It's super elegant and perfect for this weather. So let's not waste any more time and get right into the video. So that was it for the video guys. I hope you liked it. Let me know what you thought about it in the comment section below. And because you love our content so much, don't forget to join the MyGlamm POPxo Insider program and get 150 rupees off on all MyGlamm beauty products. The link is in the description box. And for more such videos, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to PopxoBeauty Daily. Bye.